Verify domain in Jira. In today's video, you are going to learn how to verify domain in Jira. So let's get started. First, open Jira and log into your account. Then click the settings icon in the navigation bar. Here, select billing from the drop-down menu. In the admin area, click admin. In the overview section, click verify domain. Then enter your domain name in the form field and click next. Here you will have to enter your DNS details, for example, your name, host alias, or TTL. Choose a verification method. You can verify your domain using one of the two methods. The one is DNS text record at the TXT record shown in the Jira to your domain host DNS settings, or you can use HTML file upload. Download the provided HTML file, upload it to your website's root directory, and verify. After verification, manage users from that domain, enable SSO single sign-on, and that's how you will be able to verify domain in Jira.